So this is the charming little city of Aveiro. It's often referred to as Portugal's Venice. And as I spin round here, this is the Modern Art Museum and a few buildings that are clad with the traditional Portuguese style tiles. And I'm going to explore further up here. A little bit closer to the museum, you can see how magnificent the architecture is. And spinning to my left, there is a World Cup fan zone. Brazil are playing Japan later on. And here is a photo opportunity for any visitors next to the city sign. And here is one of the canals with gondolas on it. Are they still called gondolas if they're Portuguese? Here we are on the canal side, and it looks like one of the gondolas is just docking here. And across the canal is a School of Languages, or to give it its correct title, Royal School of Languages. And alongside the canal is a well-maintained esplanade going into the town centre proper. As you can see, it's a busy canal with, I'll call these gondolas, albeit giant gondolas, and there are lots of other canals too around here. And here on the walls of these steps are some more fantastic coloured tiles depicting the traditional way of life. And as I spin around, you'll notice the ribbons on the fence in place of padlocks in other places. A really good view also of the tile buildings at the other side of the canal. And here's a quite impressive church here with some wonderful blue tiles on it. And this square here is there's a statue to the founding father of the town of Aveiro, and I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce his name because it's quite complicated. And these are purple trees here, are jacaranda trees, and this around here is the town hall. So I will let the scenery do the talking for itself. And there's a lovely square here with lots of people dining. And another area, another one of the canals nearby. And this is the market behind us, but it's closed today. And there are some bronze figures outside, probably wearing traditional dress. Yeah, what a beautiful little square this is. And another view from a different angle. This is a smaller canal. Look at all them brightly coloured buildings, and spinning all the way around to my right there are lots of flowers in pots and balconies and more tile buildings and the market.